Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2023 Indian Pursuit Elite First Look. So make sure to watch the full video. For the first time, the Indian Pursuit gets the elite treatment by the factory at Spirit Lake, Iowa. Not just a fancy paint job applied to the standard Pursuit, the 2023 Indian Pursuit Elite also enjoys technical upgrades. The 2023 Indian Pursuit Elite has an inertial management units that informs the electronic aids. The inertial management units and Indian Smart Lean technology make the anti-lock braking system, traction control torque output, and LED headlight cornering aware. The Fox shock is electronically adjustable, although the 43mm inverted fork remains adjustment-free. The spring preload on the Fox shock is electronically adjustable. Cold weather riders and passengers on the Big Inch touring motorcycle will like the heated seats. The heat in each seat is independently adjustable. For riding after dark, the switchgear is backlit. A 7-inch touchscreen thin film transistor presents the rider with a broad array of features. In addition to GPS, there is Apple CarPlay, turn-by-turn navigation, and Bluetooth connectivity to smartphones. The thin film transistor is also the interface for the 16-speaker sound system, which includes a 9-band equalizer. A year's subscription to Indian's Ride Command Plus software is included. The weatherproof trunk and saddlebag can be locked remotely. If you prefer a low-rise trunk, a color-matched option is available. It wouldn't be an Elite without an exceptional paint job. It's a two-tone affair, combining super graphite metallic and black metallic with shadow bronze chrome accents. There is also matching Elite badging. There will be 150 examples of the 2023 Indian Pursuit Elite on offer worldwide, reflecting the motorcycle's exclusivity and features. The newest Elite's price is $39,999. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.